Welcome to Boge Air, the air to work. True Blue sales and service from Boge Compressed Air Systems is now available in the greater Atlanta area. True Blue sales and service from Boge includes prompt service, straightforward recommendations, and service on all major brands. Better by Boge. Over 100 years of German engineering. Boge designs custom solutions for all your industrial air needs. Boge manufactures a complete range of oil-lubricated and oil-free screw compressors from 4 to 480 horsepower. Boge can provide a complete system overview by conducting an air audit of your existing system. This custom food packaging solution used the Boge C20, positioned outdoors, to move the filled food packaging down the conveyor and through the shrink wrap process for faster handling. A Boge C30 was installed in this brewery to move cans down the fill line for quick filling and movement down the line. The right solution for this custom body shop using waterborne paint was the Boge C10L, supplying 100% clean and dry air. Call 770-874-1570 today. Complete the form to the right to get the Boge True Blue sales and service for your business.